Good morning, student. Today we are going to learn about satellite link system. After the completion of the session, you are able to define satellite communication, discuss about transponder, downlink frequency, uplink frequency and crosslink frequency. Draw the block diagram of satellite link system, explain the working of satellite link system. So first we starts from what is satellite. A satellite is a body that moves around another body in a predetermined path called orbit. Means if this one is one body, then another body moves around it using a predetermined path. This one is the orbit, this one is one body, this one is another body. For example, if this is a sun and this one is earth, then for sun, earth is a satellite. Generally, satellites can be classified into two types. First one is the natural satellite, second one is the artificial satellite. Example of natural satellite is here. Earth is a natural satellite for sun. Like that, moon is the natural satellite for earth. What is artificial satellite? Man-made satellites are known as artificial satellites. These artificial satellites are also known as communication satellites, that is helpful in telecommunication, radio and television along with internet application. What is satellite communication? It is a type of communication in which artificial satellites used to receive, amplify and retransmit the telecommunication signals via a transponder. It is simply called as combination of transmitter and receiver, and it also amplifies the signal. If in a single word we tell, it is like a repeater, because repeater receive the signal, amplify the signal, then retransmit it. So but it is not a normal repeater, it is a microwave repeater, and it creates a communication channel between a source transmitter and a receiver at different locations on earth. For satellite communication, we use three types of frequency. First one is uplink frequency, second one is downlink frequency, third one is crosslink frequency. The frequency with which signals sent into the space, means to the satellite from Earth's surface or Earth station, is called uplink frequency, while the frequency with which it is sent from the satellite to a Earth station is known as downlink frequency. When satellites communicate directly with each other using a frequency is known as crosslink frequency. Next we discuss about the block diagram of satellite link system. Different subsystems of satellite link system are Earth segment. This one is the Earth segment. This satellite part is the space segment, and this downlink and uplink frequency part is known as link between Earth and satellite. We have already discussed about these links, what is uplink frequency and what is downlink frequency. So we start from Earth segment. The Earth segment of satellite communication system mainly consist of two Earth stations. Those are transmitting Earth station, means transmitting section, and receiving Earth station. The Earth stations receive the baseband signals like voice signal and video signals from the user via or using a terrestrial network. Means in between Earth station and user we use a terrestrial network. Terrestrial network may be a telephone switch or a dedicated link to the Earth station, and the transmitted voice signal and video signals either in analog form or digital form. Designing of Earth station depends not only on the location of Earth station but also on some other factors. The location of Earth station could be on land, on ships in sea, and on aircraft. Other factors are transmitting power, receiving power, size of the antenna, noise introduced in the network, etc. Last one is the space segment. The space segment consists of satellite. The satellite receive the uplink frequency and transponder present inside the satellite does the processing function and frequency down conversion in order to transmit the downlink frequency or downlink signal at different frequency. There are various frequency band utilized by satellite, but mostly used is the C band. In C band, the uplink frequency is the 6 GHz and the downlink frequency is the 4 GHz. So, if here we use a C band frequency, then here is the uplink frequency, means here we use a 6 GHz frequency, and in downlink frequency we use a 4 GHz frequency. So this much for today. Thank you.